Hey everyone, Dwayne Byler here, PROTECH Roofing Solutions. It's a beautiful sunny day in March, and we are starting our first liquid applied system of the year. We're working on membrane systems, single plies for the winter, and we do them through the summer as well, but we always like jumping into some liquid systems when nice weather hits, and we got a bonus this year starting in March. So, good times in America. So we got a metal roof restoration we're doing. When we're done here, it's going to be a beautiful, seamless, energy efficient, long-term, durable roof system, renewable roof system, making everybody happy. And guys are washing, prepping the roof right now. Show you that. So we have nice little square footage here to do, and get it all tied up on the next one. Everyone have a great day.